If you're facing glitch lines on the screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now you might see a single line on the screen of your iPhone 16, or in some cases you might see a few lines on the screen. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Display in Brightness. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of Always on Display. Now just tap on it and disable the toggle for Always on Display. Now after you do that, you will most likely fix this issue. But if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next step. For that, you will have to perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process is completed, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this did not fix your issue either, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the glitch lines on the screen of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.